Today's shipment is destined for a hydraulic fittings wholesaler in California, as we are all aware, influenced by international environmental concerns. Hydraulic fittings wholesalers worldwide are continuously raising their environmental standards. The main reason this client shifted their business was due to their previous suppliers' hydraulic fittings not meeting the environmentally friendly standards in surface treatment. The client learned from our independent website that we use environmentally friendly zinc, and the rust prevention level can reach 120 hours. Moreover, we can even provide products made of stainless steel 316L. Intrigued by this, the client sent us an inquiry. After providing a quote and conducting environmental and salt spray tests on samples, the client and we reached a collaboration agreement. NJ not only insists on supplying hydraulic fittings made of high-quality materials but also contributes to a green environment.